In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the FaceTime camera not working on your iPhone or iPad. We'll go through some simple steps that will hopefully get your camera back up and running so you can enjoy uninterrupted video calls. Let's dive right in. First, one of the most common solutions is to restart your device. To do this, simply press and hold the power button on your iPhone or iPad. You'll see a slider appear on the screen. Just slide to power off your device. After it's completely turned off, give it a few seconds before pressing the power button again until you see the Apple logo. This can often resolve minor glitches that might be causing the camera issue. If restarting doesn't work, you'll want to test your camera in another app. Open your camera app and see if it's functioning normally. You can also try using another video related app like Zoom just to confirm whether the camera works outside of FaceTime. If the camera works elsewhere, then it's likely a specific issue with FaceTime. The next step involves checking your FaceTime camera permissions. Go to your device's settings, navigate to privacy and security, then tap on camera. Here, you'll see a list of apps that have requested camera access. Make sure FaceTime is enabled. This ensures the app has the necessary permission to access your camera. While you're on a FaceTime call, you might find that flipping the camera could resolve the issue. When you're connected, simply tap the camera flip icon on your screen. This action toggles between the front and back cameras, and this little toggle can sometimes kickstart a stubborn camera into working. If you've tried these and the problem persists, it might be time to force close the FaceTime app and restart it. To do this on newer iPhones, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. If you're using a device with a home button, double tap it, you'll see a list of recently used apps. Find FaceTime, then swipe it up and off the screen to close it. After closing, reopen FaceTime and check to see if the camera issue is resolved. These steps usually tackle the most common reasons the FaceTime camera may not work on your iPhone or iPad. However, if the problem continues, it might be worth checking for any software updates or contacting Apple support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you can now remain connected with your loved ones through FaceTime without any hiccups. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.